les 16 voyelles du français. So I've been doing previously some videos covering the vowels in French, but then I thought it might be interesting to, well, see them a bit more precisely, because basically if we think about phonetics and French phonetics, we tend to think that we've got 16 vowels in French. Okay, so we will cover them, and for each sound I will give you 3 words. Okay, so we can actually work on that quite precisely. Okay, and the first vowel is I. So like in merci. Okay, merci. Then ri. Okay, same vowel, I, ri. And then il. Okay, so this one is actually quite simple to make. It's I. Okay, let's see the second, and it's E. Okay, and in that case you get to E. Été. Parler. It's E. And then you get demander. Okay, demander. So one more time. Été, parler, demander. The next one. Belle. So you can see that here it's quite open. Belle. Belle. Same sound here. E, forêt. Forêt. And here as well. E, M. Okay, so you've got belle, forêt, M. Alright, so let's see. Numéro 4. And it's A, papa, okay, papa, ma, lac, lac. Okay, so one more time. Papa, ma, lac. Numéro 5. Bas. So this one is a bit lower actually, so it goes deeper. It's bas. Âme. Same thing here when you get this circumflex. Âme. Lâche. Okay, so this A is actually lower or deeper than the previous we had. Okay, bas, âme, lâche. Porte. So you get this O, and it's actually quite open in that case. It's O, porte. Okay. But, same thing. You get this O, but it's quite open. So but. Paul. Same thing. Okay. So porte, but, Paul. And of course, the deeper one. Beau. Okay, so this one is really, really low or deep. Beau. Do. Same thing here. I tend to make them longer, of course. Do. And then sauter. Okay, so beau, do, sauter. So you can hear the difference between what we had previously and now. Okay, these ones are actually, they go deeper. And now we've got this OO sound. Fou. This one is usually not that tricky to make. Do, lou. Okay, so one more time. Fou, do, lou. Okay, fou, do, lou. Let's see, numéro 9. And it's U, okay? Tu. This one can be tricky for some students who have, who are English-speaking persons, or then in some cases some students from Spanish-speaking countries. So try to insist on that U. Okay, it's really, really U, really narrow. U. Okay, same thing here. Well, it's the verb. Normally it shouldn't be pronounced like that, but keep in mind that when you use it, U. It's the verb to have. Plus. Okay, tu, u, plus. In that case, just to avoid any misunderstanding, remember it's the participe passé of avoir, okay, that you use when you use these compound tenses like passé composé, for instance. Il a eu. Okay, you write it like that, but you pronounce it u. Okay, so tu, here the participe passé, u, and then plus. Peu, bleu, feu. Okay, so this sound is okay, peu, bleu, feu, and then we will have a little bit the same, but it's a bit lighter, more open, and it's peur. Okay, previously it was bleu, so really, really deep, bleu. This one is more open and it's peur. Okay, peur. Here it's the same, œuvre, œuvre. Jeune. Same thing, you don't say je, you say jeune, okay? So it goes like peur, œuvre, jeune, okay? Numéro 12. Le, so basically it's this sound, and you get the same in here, in me, and also regarder. Regarder. Okay, so you get le, me, regarder. Numéro 13, it's this un. So nasal, it goes in your nose. Un, fin. Okay, fin. Un, fin. Then another example. Brun, brun. Okay, fin. Brun, fin. So you write it differently, but then you pronounce it like the first one. It's un, okay? Fin, brun, fin. All right? So in some cases, students tend to struggle with les nasal, but trust me, if you try hard, normally you can master them. So it's just a question of time. You just need to practice, practice, and practice. So let's see, numéro 14. Numéro 14, and it goes like un. So if you compare it to the previous one, well, in many situations nowadays, if I'm really honest, the difference between the two is quite narrow and almost invisible. But then, well, phonetics like to make some differences between the two. So this one should be a bit deeper in a way, and it's un. Okay, the previous one was un. This one is un. All right. Brun, same thing. It's not brun, but it's brun. All right. Un, and the last one would be humble. Okay, so you've got un, brun, humble. One more time. Un, brun, humble. Numéro 15. Numéro 15, you've got the sound en, dans. Okay? Dans, second example. Blanchir, blanc, blanc, blanchir. And then sentir. Same thing here. En, okay? Dans, blanchir, sentir. In many situations, when you practice on your own and when you try to reach this sound, try to make the sound longer. okay? And try to insist. So you can do it like dans, just to practice that. And after that, you can make them shorter and like more normal, okay? So dans, blanchir, insist, sentir, okay? Sentir. And after that, you can make normally like dans, blanchir, sentir. Let's see now the last one. And it's on. Same thing, nasal. It goes in your nose. And then your mouth should be like really round. Blond, blond. Okay? Then fond. And last, tomber. Okay? Tomber. Tomber. Blond, fond, tomber. One more time. Blond, fond, tomber. They are normally quite tough to make, okay? But then it's just, as I said, a question of time. So try your best and don't worry, you will manage to pronounce them.